celebrating Charlie Daniels, a musical legacy unveiled on the Music Educator channel. Discover the man who fused rock, country, and blues and brought the world to its feet, Charlie Daniels. His energetic performances and masterful fiddle play have captivated audiences globally, making him a legendary figure in multiple music genres. Charlie Daniels' journey began with dramatic footage from iconic live performances, showcasing his electrifying presence on stage. His ability to connect with live audiences is palpable as he delivers each song with unmatched passion and energy. Born in North Carolina, Charlie's early life was steeped in a rich musical heritage. This foundation was crucial in shaping his distinctive sound, which later defined his career. The blend of local folk, country, and blues created a perfect melting pot for his musical talents to flourish. His significant breakthrough came with the formation of the Charlie Daniels Band, a group that would become synonymous with Southern rock and crossover country hits. The band's dynamic performances and unique sound quickly captured the hearts of fans across America. The release of Uneasy Rider marked a turning point in Charlie's career, spotlighting his ability to weave storytelling with humor and social commentary. The song's success on the charts propelled him into the national spotlight, setting the stage for future hits that would define a generation. Uneasy Rider marked a turning point for Charlie Daniels. This whimsical, politically charged song captured the zeitgeist of the early 1970s, catapulting Daniels into the national spotlight. Its narrative style and engaging storytelling set the stage for Daniels' future successes, establishing him as a formidable voice in the music industry. The creation of The Devil Went Down to Georgia is a legendary tale in itself. Crafted with fiery lyrics and an unforgettable fiddle melody, this song became Charlie Daniels Band's most iconic track. Winning a Grammy for Best Country Vocal Performance, it solidified Daniels' place in music history as a crossover success. Daniels' influence extended beyond his music, touching peers and fans alike. Testimonials from fellow musicians and celebrities often highlighted his profound impact on their careers and lives. His genuine character and undeniable talent made him a beloved figure in the music community. His fiddle playing was nothing short of mesmerizing. Daniels' ability to blend rock, country, and blues through his fiddle performances was showcased in numerous live shows and recordings. This unique style not only entertained, but also inspired a new generation of musicians. Before achieving solo fame, Charlie Daniels contributed significantly as a session musician. His work on albums by Bob Dylan and Leonard Cohen, among others, showcased his versatile skills and deep understanding of different musical styles. These collaborations further enriched his musical repertoire, paving the way for his future solo success. Charlie Daniels' mastery of music earned him multiple Grammy Awards, a testament to his versatility and influence in the music industry. His accolades highlighted a career that spanned several decades, during which he left an indelible mark on country, rock, and Southern music with his fiery fiddle playing and raspy vocals. His involvement in film and television brought his vibrant music to a broader audience. Daniels contributed memorable soundtracks that resonated with themes of American life, freedom, and struggle, further cementing his place not just in music but also in popular culture. Daniels was a fervent patriot, often performing for U.S. troops around the world. His dedication to his country was evident in his music and public appearances, making him a beloved figure among military members and their families, who found his songs uplifting during times of service and sacrifice. Throughout his career, Charlie Daniels also dedicated time to nurturing young talent and advocating for music education. His passion for passing on the traditions of country music and encouraging the next generation was a vital part of his legacy, demonstrating his commitment to the craft beyond his personal success. In various interviews, Daniels often shared his musical philosophy, which centered around authenticity and connection with the audience. He believed in the power of music to bridge gaps and bring people together, a principle that guided his long and storied career in the music industry. Charlie Daniels often spoke about his songwriting process as a blend of inspiration and hard work. He believed that every song has a unique spirit and his job was to find it. By channeling his life experiences and the sounds of his Southern roots, Daniels crafted lyrics that resonated with authenticity and grit. As an avid participant in charity work, Daniels dedicated significant time to giving back to the community. His commitment extended beyond music, focusing on helping underprivileged children and veterans. This offstage work painted a fuller picture of Daniels as not just a musician, but a philanthropist deeply invested in his beliefs. The release of Daniels' memoir, Never Look at the Empty Seats, provided fans and critics alike a deeper understanding of his journey. The book detailed his early days, struggles, and the peaks of his career, offering an intimate look at the man behind the music and his philosophy on life and art. Daniels' influence stretched across the music industry, impacting modern country and Southern rock artists significantly. Musicians like Zac Brown and Jason Aldean have cited Daniels as a major influence, adopting his energetic performance style and storytelling prowess in their own careers. Rare footage of Daniels' early performances offers a window into his evolution as an artist. These clips, often gritty and raw, showcase his energetic stage presence and fiddle mastery, elements that would become his signature. This early footage is crucial for understanding how he shaped the style and set the stage for future performances. Charlie Daniels' induction into the Country Music Hall of Fame in 2016 was a crowning achievement that celebrated his vast contributions to the genre. This recognition placed him among the legends, acknowledging his distinctive blend of country, rock, and blues that left an indelible mark on American music. The volunteer jam concerts, initiated by Daniels, became a cultural phenomenon, showcasing his ability to bring together artists from diverse genres for spectacular musical collaborations. These events not only highlighted his prowess as a musician, but also his skills as a showman and a connector in the music community. Daniels' music often explored themes of hard work, personal integrity, and the trials of everyday life, resonating deeply with his audience. His storytelling prowess was evident in hits like The Devil Went Down to Georgia, where he used folklore to craft compelling narratives that were both entertaining and thought-provoking. A passionate advocate for traditional instruments, Daniels was renowned for his mastery of the fiddle. His energetic performances and complex solos helped to popularize the instrument in modern music, inspiring a new generation of musicians to explore its potential. Through his dynamic live performances, Daniels left a lasting impact on music festivals and concerts worldwide. His energetic stage presence and musical versatility drew large crowds, making him a beloved figure at major events and helping to shape the live music scene for decades. Charlie Daniels' knack for collaboration spanned various genres, bringing a unique blend to each track he worked on. His partnerships with artists from rock, blues, and even pop sectors exemplified his versatile musical identity. These collaborations not only enriched his discography, but also allowed him to influence a broader spectrum of the music scene. Despite his passing in 2020, Charlie Daniels' music continues to resonate with fans old and new. His influence endures through posthumous releases, which unveil previously unreleased tracks and live performances. These collections help to both preserve and celebrate his rich musical legacy, keeping his spirit alive in the hearts of listeners. Aspiring musicians can learn a great deal from Charlie Daniels' technique, particularly his mastery of the fiddle. Educational segments that dissect his style and approach provide valuable lessons for those eager to understand and perhaps emulate his signature sound. This guidance serves as a bridge, connecting budding artists with traditional musical craftsmanship. Daniels' top 10 most influential tracks offer a gateway into his musical journey, showcasing the depth and breadth of his talent. From fiery fiddle-led numbers to soul-stirring ballads, these tracks encapsulate his impact on music and culture. They serve as a foundational playlist for both longtime fans and newcomers exploring his work. Through scholarships and educational programs, Charlie Daniels' commitment to music education has left a lasting mark. His initiatives have opened doors for young talents who aspire to follow in his footsteps, ensuring that his legacy not only survives but thrives. These efforts underscore his belief in the transformative power of music. For those inspired by Charlie Daniels' iconic fiddle playing, there's a treasure trove of techniques and styles to explore. His approach combined elements of rock, country, and blues, making his music uniquely compelling. Aspiring musicians can learn from his vibrato, double stops, and bowing techniques, which he executed with precision and soul. Charlie Daniels' influence on music extended beyond his own recordings. His top 10 tracks, including hits like The Devil Went Down to Georgia, serve as masterclasses in storytelling and musicianship. Each song showcases his ability to blend narrative and melody in a way that resonates across diverse audiences. Through his music and personal endeavors, Charlie Daniels also played a significant role in music education. He established scholarships and supported programs that encourage young musicians, ensuring that his legacy would nurture future generations. His commitment highlights the importance of giving back and fostering new talent in the industry. Contemporary artists often pay homage to Daniels by covering his songs, infusing them with their own styles while respecting the original compositions. These covers serve as a testament to his lasting impact on the music world, illustrating how his work continues to inspire and influence even today. Offstage, Charlie Daniels' life was as rich and compelling as his music. His experiences, values, and the people he encountered all fed into his songs, creating a deeply personal connection with his listeners. His music was not just entertainment, but a reflection of his life's journey and the lessons he learned along the way. Charlie Daniels' music transcends the concert stage, permeating popular culture and various media forms. His songs appear in films, television shows, and commercials, showcasing his widespread appeal and enduring legacy. This cultural integration helps new audiences discover his work, ensuring that his vibrant spirit continues to inspire. To fully appreciate the breadth of Charlie Daniels' musical contributions, fans and new listeners alike can dive into a carefully curated playlist featuring his most essential tracks. This selection not only highlights his hits, but also showcases lesser-known gems, providing a comprehensive look at his artistic range. The Music Educator channel invites viewers to engage with the legacy of Charlie Daniels by sharing personal stories and memories. This interactive element fosters a community of music lovers who celebrate Daniels' impact on their lives, creating a virtual space filled with appreciation and shared musical passion. To conclude the tribute, a powerful quote from Charlie Daniels himself featured, encouraging fans to keep his music alive. Viewers are prompted to participate by commenting their favorite songs, creating an ongoing dialogue that honors his memory and influence in the music world. For those eager to explore more about musical legends, the Music Educator channel offers a wealth of stories and insights. By subscribing, viewers can stay updated on inspiring journeys like that of Charlie Daniels, ensuring they don't miss out on celebrating the rich history of music.